Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, as we all know, Ubig Zulu was recently involved in a car accident that landed him in hospital. The car was just so badly damaged, guys. It was so bad. So the news were announced by EMDN News. Ukuthi Inkabi Records has announced that Big Zulu was involved in a car accident on Sunday. So they were asking for prayers, people to keep Ubig Zulu in their prayers. So now guys, the good news is that Ubig Zulu has been finally discharged from hospital. As you guys can see, he looks normal to me. He looks pretty well, but the pictures that were taken when he was in hospital, they were so shocking. The pictures were so shocking. Yeah, it was really shocking. I thought it was something serious, but we thank God for being with him, and now he is out enjoying his life. Even the nurses are so happy for him. So yes guys, this is what I have for you today. Big Zulu is officially out of the hospital. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys. Like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. I will see you on my next one.